Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to the place where we explore exciting and mouth-watering recipes. Today, we're diving into the world of green tomatoes, those tangy gems that often get overlooked. Join me as we discover some amazing green tomato recipes that will tantalize your taste buds. If you're ready, let's get cooking. Fried green tomatoes. Our first recipe is a classic favorite. Fried green tomatoes. These crispy delights are a southern specialty, and they're incredibly easy to make. 1. Slice green tomatoes into 1/4 inch rounds. 2. In one bowl, whisk together buttermilk and a pinch of salt. 3. In another bowl, mix cornmeal, flour, and your favorite seasonings. 4. Dip each tomato slice into the buttermilk, then coat it in the cornmeal mixture. 5. Heat oil in a pan and fry the tomatoes until golden brown on both sides. 6. Serve with a side of remoulade sauce for that extra kick. Green tomato salsa. Up next, we have a zesty green tomato salsa that's perfect for dipping or topping your favorite dishes. 1. Dice green tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos. 2. Combine them in a bowl and add chopped cilantro and lime juice. 3. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 4. Let the flavors meld in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. 5. Enjoy with tortilla chips, tacos, or grilled chicken. Green tomato chutney. For a unique twist, let's make a green tomato chutney that's sweet, savory, and utterly delicious. 1. Chop green tomatoes, apples, and onions. 2. In a pot, combine these with brown sugar, vinegar, ginger, and spices. 3. Simmer until the mixture thickens to a chutney consistency. 4. Let it cool before storing in jars. 5. This chutney pairs wonderfully with cheeses, grilled meats, or even as a sandwich spread. Green tomato curry. Last but certainly not least, let's spice things up with a green tomato curry that will satisfy your curry cravings. 1. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a pan. 2. Add green tomatoes, curry spices, and coconut milk. 3. Simmer until the tomatoes are tender and the flavors meld. 4. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve over rice or with naan. And there you have it. 4 fantastic green tomato recipes to add a burst of flavor to your meals. Whether you're frying, salsaing, chutneying, or currying, green tomatoes offer a versatile and delicious addition to your kitchen repertoire. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more culinary adventures, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy cooking!